Apollo Hospitals introduced clinical excellence in the Indian healthcare lexicon. Providing clinical excellence is the first pillar of the Apollo philosophy. Skilled doctors and minutely detailed protocols have ensured Apollo's place among the world's best in terms of outcomes and clinical excellence. Today, Apollo Hospitals has the largest number of JCI accredited hospitals in the entire region. A testimony of the group's strong association with first-class healthcare is the fact that every year, patients from over 120 countries come to Apollo for treatment.
I congratulate Dr. P.C. Reddy, an old friend and a great visionary, a great entrepreneur in the field of healthcare. He has brought world-class medical facilities to many parts of our country.
Excellence has always been a personal passion of Dr. Pratap C. Reddy, the founder-chairman of Apollo Hospitals.
It is 7-star in our success rates. It is in 7-star with the people that we have. It is a 7-star with the type of medical equipment that we have. All of these, if I say that our results are as good or better than anywhere in the world, when you are sitting with the satisfaction of giving this level of care and bringing something which India did not have and making the country proud.
Under his leadership, Apollo has developed specialized hubs of expertise across healthcare disciplines. At Apollo, these hubs are our center of excellence. The centers of cardiology and cardiothoracic surgery at Apollo Hospitals are among the largest cardiovascular groups in the world. The commitment of its cardiologists and cardiothoracic surgeons to the prevention and treatment of heart disease has led to the achievement of better outcomes and improved quality of life for thousands of cardiac patients who visit Apollo Hospitals each year.
Coronary artery disease has become one of the biggest problems in the nation now. So there's been a real big need for coronary bypass surgery, and Apollo has pioneered this.
The scorecard shows an unmatched record of over 100,000 heart surgeries, with success rates comparable to international standards. The Apollo Institute of Orthopedics at Apollo Hospitals is at the forefront of cutting-edge orthopedics and offers the latest in orthopedic treatment and techniques.
When you have a chronic hip problem, it really becomes depressing. When I knew that the Birmingham procedure was available here and patients have no activity restrictions on them after they're through the surgery, this offered hope.
Our team of highly experienced surgeons are supported by the most advanced medical equipment, computer navigation, and advanced imaging equipment. The Apollo Institutes of Neurosciences are headed by world-renowned consultants and backed by outstanding clinical staff and sophisticated equipment. The extremely competent neurologists, neurosurgeons, critical care specialists, nurses, and researchers provide expert care in investigating and treating diseases that affect the brain, spinal cord, muscles, and nerves. About 10,000 major neurosurgical operations are carried out every year. Apollo Emergency Care is a pioneer in emergency care in India and continues to lead this field in the country for over a decade now. It is committed to providing 24/7 access to high-quality emergency care, delivered with compassion and empathy. Apollo Emergency is led by qualified emergency physicians across 22 locations in the country. It is the only private emergency network for medical response in India with a dedicated 4-digit access number, 1066. Apollo Cancer Institutes are an integral part of the Apollo Hospitals group. The centers pride themselves on the latest medical gadgets and state-of-the-art technology, manned by a highly skilled pool of consultants. Apollo follows a multidisciplinary approach to cancer care and offers services of international standards. The entire spectrum of oncology care, ranging from screening, evaluation, diagnosis and treatment, palliative care, and rehabilitation, is offered all under one roof.
with a success rate of 90%, which is comparable to the best in the West, we can really say that we can now offer hope to individuals with liver failure. And it's not just children and adults in India, but it's in several other countries that we can now offer this life-saving treatment, and we've actually transplanted individuals from 20 countries.
The transplant institutes have been established with a view to provide the very best of tertiary level services in transplantation and allied fields in the world. They are backed by top quality diagnostics and are well supplemented by excellent critical care. At Apollo, our culture of excellence is our proudest legacy. Every day, every member of the Apollo family goes the extra mile to protect it, to nurture it, and to grow it.